My name is Mariam Thomas. I'm a trainer with Medicloud Academy. Are you stressed about work, school, or feeling disconnected from the people you love the most?
We here at Medicloud Academy have created an amazing online workshop. Catch that? An amazing online fun shop designed to help you de-stress and to unlock the best of you. Keep watching.
When you look around, isn't it hard seeing the people around you worried, be it school, work, finding employment, or health concerns, both physical and mental?
Like you need family and friends, people need interaction with people. It's just common sense.
We at Medicloud Academy have been doing educational and motivational workshops for years internationally. We have also worked with students, children, and adults of all ages and people in business to help them reconnect with themselves and those around them.
During this pandemic, we've decided to bring our expertise and experience straight home to you. Hear what others have to say about our first ever fun shop online on Unlocking Your Happiness.
I had the privilege of going through this 2-day fun shop, and let me tell you, it is so amazing that it changed me, and it has become a very special part of me, a very special experience to me, and there is no way I'm ever forgetting this experience throughout the rest of my life.
This fun shop will empower you with 7 ways to transform yourself and the people around you.
Let all of us at Medicloud Academy help bring out the best version of you. Transform yourself and the experience you have connecting with others by rediscovering and loving yourself. That's the whole reason this isn't a workshop. The only work you do is to de-stress, unwind, and have a joyful time filled with laughter.
Seats are limited, so make sure that you register as soon as possible. You can find more information about us and the registration details by following the link in the description or comments below.
We promise you, this is not one of those boring webinars. Take a look at our faces. So come on and have some fun with us, and don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. See you there.